This is the Southernmost House 8x32 food trailer, built by Concession Nation, and this one is made to grab attention from every angle. Let's start with what it is. This is a large food trailer, built with a serious pizza and food service setup. It has the space, the equipment, and the customer side layout to help a crew cook, prep, and serve from one clean build. Inside, the star of the trailer is the Mara Forney oven. This is the big feature that gives this trailer its pizza power. Right next to that flow, you've got pizza prep, sandwich prep, work tables, and wall shelving to help the team stay organized while orders are moving. Now let's talk cooking power. This build includes 3 deep fryers, giving the operator room to push crispy menu items fast. The fryers sit under a 5-foot hood with fire suppression for safety compliance. Cold storage is also built in, with a full-size single-door freezer, plus refrigerated prep stations to keep ingredients close to the line. For service, this trailer has 2 customer windows with LED lighted marquees and LED lighting under the windows that gives the customer side a clean look and helps the trailer stand out during service. On the outside, you've got external lights, RGB lighting on the driver's side, RGB rear columns, RGB rear bottom lighting, and an enclosed oven area with access doors. This 8x32 trailer is not just about cooking, it's about presence. It's about speed. It's about giving the customer a full experience before they even get their food. If you're looking for a custom food trailer built around your menu, your idea, and your brand, request a quote.